Hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, a co-founder of Frando Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here we also talk about how to make money online, how to do dollar arbitrage, and how to start your own online company. Yeah, so today I'm not here to talk a lot. I'm here to show you how you can download Neptune Network on your Apple phone or Apple product. Yeah, how to download Neptune Network on your iPhone and convert your NT to USDT. Yeah, so as you can see that I've downloaded the Neptune Network. So this is how you do it. Yeah, so I'll leave the link in the description. Yeah, so this is the link. You just click on the link, this link, and it will download. So after it's download, then you come to settings. Then you choose general. Then you go to this VPN and device management. Then you click on this thing. So you will not see delete app. You will see verify something over here. Then you click on it. Then it will verify. So when it's verified and you open the platform, it will come to allow tracking, something like that. Just allow. But in case you didn't allow, you can also go back to settings again, and this time you will choose privacy. Then you go to tracking. Then you come here and you will switch it on. And that is all. And if you have the account already on your Android and you want to like import it on the iPhone, you see, you just go to your old phone or your Android phone and you open the platform and you go to privacy code, something like that. Yeah, then you copy your code and everything, and you come to this platform. Then you go to import wallet and you import that code over here. And after that, you click on you enter your password and you import your wallet from the old one, from your Android to the iPhone. But in this case, if you want to import it, because they want to verify and see that it's actually you, so they have opened something to just verify you before they cannot import the code from the Android to the iPhone. I hope you understand, because recently people steal people's accounts. So I will leave their admin to their Telegram handle over here. So I've seen that I'm done, but for me to import, I got a problem. So I contacted their Neptune admin, and this is what he said. You have to send screenshots of transfer records from other wallets transferred to Neptune accounts, and it's like you just read everything over here. So I'll leave everything here and leave the Neptune admin also Telegram in the description, so that you can chat him if you want to import your wallet from Android to iPhone. Yeah, so this how it is. Yeah, so right now, if you're using iPhone, you can also download Neptune Network and use it and make money. I hope I've done a little videos about it, how you can convert your NT network, NT coins to USDT. Right now, one NT is equal to 0.24 USDT. Yeah, so you have to look sharp and cash out. So thank you for watching me, and I will leave all these links in the description. Thank you. I'm out. Don't forget to